Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear viewers, inshallah, in today's video, you are going to learn the Holy Quran, Para 1, Suratul Baqarah, from ayat number 19 to 20. Let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أو كصيب من السماء فيه ظلمات ورعد وبرق يجعلون أصابعهم في آذانهم من الصواعق حذر الموت والله محيط بالكافرين. Look at the word أو كصيب. There is zabar before waw sakin. It is waw lean. You have to pronounce waw lean without stretching and without sudden pause, like this. Aw. Kasayyibim. There is sod in this word, and sod is from mustalia letters. You have to read with thicker voice. And there is meme after tanween, after two zir. So idgham will be done here because meme is from yarmalun letters, and gunna will be done. Gunna means taking the sound into the nose. Kasayyibim minas samai. You can see hamza after alif madda in the same word. It is madde muttasil. You have to stretch up to 5 harkat. Fihi. There is zir before ya sakin. It is ya madda. You have to pronounce by stretching up to 2 harkat. Fihi dhulumatun. Pronounce dha without whistle and with thicker voice because dha is from mustalia letters. And there is waw after tanween after 2 pesh. So idgham will be done because waw is from yarmalun letters, and gunna will be done. You have to pronounce like this: dhulumatun wa ra'dun wa. There is idgham again. Barq. Qaf is from qalqala letters. You have to do qalqala. Qalqala means to rebounce the sound. Barq, like that. Yaj'aluna. Jim is also from qalqala letters. You have to apply the rule. Yaj'aluna. Return your voice when you pronounce jim. Asabi'ahum. You have to read sod with thicker voice because it is from mustalia letters. Fi adhanihim. You can see hamza after ya madda in the next word. It is madde munfasil. You have to pronounce by stretching up to 5 harkat. Fi adhanihim. Pronounce dhal without whistle. Adhanihim. Do not read azanihim. And there is another meme after a meme sakin. It is idgham shafwi. You have to read meme sakin with gunna. Adhanihim minas sawa'iqi. Pronounce sod and qaf with thicker voice because they are from mustalia letters. Hadar al maut. You can see a temporary sukun after waw lean. So it is madde lean aris. You have to pronounce by stretching up to 5 harakat. Maut. Wallahu. There is zaba before the lam of Allah's name. You have to pronounce lam with thicker voice. Muhitum. You can see ba after 2 pesh, after tanween. So it is iqlab. You have to change tanween into meme and do gunna. Muhitum bil kafirin. Next ayat. Yakadul barqu yakhtafu absarahum kullama adha'a lahum mashaw fihi wa idha adlama alayhim qamu ولو شاء الله لذهب بسمعهم وأبصارهم إن الله على كل شيء قدير. Look at the word yakadul barqu. You can see zabar before alif. It is alif madda. You have to pronounce by stretching up to 2 harkat. And then qaf is from mustalia letters. read with thicker voice. Yakhtafu, kha and ta are also mustaliya letters, you have to pronounce with thicker voice. Absarahum, do qalqala in ba and pronounce sad with thicker voice. Kullama, there is hamza after alif madda, it is maddi munfasil, you have to stretch up to 5 harakat. Adaa, dot is a mustaliya letter, you have to read with thicker voice. And you can see hamza after alif madda in the same word, it is maddi muttasil, stretch up to 5 harakat. Lahum mashaw, there is another meme after a meme sakin, idgham shafwi will be done, ghunna will be done. Mashaw, it is waw lean, do not stretch. Fihi, it is ya lean, stretch up to 2 harakat. Sorry, it is ya madda, stretch up to 2 harakat. Wa idha awlama, there is hamza after alif madda in the next word, it is also madde munfasil. Alayhim, qamu, pronounce qaf with thicker voice and stretch waw madda. Walau sha'allahu, there is hamza after alif madda, it is madde muttasil, and you can see zabba before the lam of Allah's name, you have to pronounce lam with thicker voice. Allahu. La dhahaba bisam'ihim wa absarihim, do qalqala in ba and pronounce sad with thicker voice. Inna Allah, you can see tashdid on noon, it is noon mushaddad, pronounce with gunna, and there is zabar before the lam of Allah's name, you have to read lam with thicker voice. Inna Allah ala kulli shay'in qadir, you can see qaf after 2 zir after tanween, so ikhfa will be done here because qaf is from ikhfa letters, and gunna will be done in tanween in 2 zir like this. Shay'in qadir. Inshallah, you will learn the other ayat of Surah Baqarah in the next video.